Welcome to another episode of Journey East Overland. Today we're putting a lift kit on this 1997 Ford E150. Stay tuned. We first started off by measuring the height from the ground to the center of the wheel wells so we could later get a good idea of how much we actually lifted the vehicle. For springs, Terry decided to go with a heavy-duty set of leaf springs and coil springs in order to better handle the weight of his van Rosie. After much debate, we decided to start with the rear and began to lift the vehicle using a 3-ton jack and 6-ton jack stands. Once everything was safely secured, we decided to go ahead and start removing the rear leaf spring bolts. Since it took every bit of mine and Terry's effort to get these heavy springs in, we decided not to videotape this part, but instead here is Terry installing the leaf spring U-bolts. The use of an impact gun can really make this process a lot faster. Out with the old and in with the new. We made sure to torque everything down to the proper spec for peace of mind and safety. Now, all that was left to do was reinstall the tires and measure again. Almost 5 inches of difference here. Now it was on to the front. Once we got the jack stands in place, we decided to go ahead with the process of removing the springs. But we would soon find out that Terry needed new spring isolators because his were quite wore out. We then went to Advanced Auto Parts and searched for new isolators. Once we got the new isolators installed, we installed the springs, put the tires on, dropped it down and remeasured. Time for a test drive. Everything seems to be checking out okay so far. And here's the final product. In total, he got about 4 inches of lift in the rear and about 3 inches in the front. That wraps it up for this episode, but until next time, thanks for watching.